Let's get started. MHS Dev. Learn, Build, Inspire. I am uninstalling the app and rerunning the project. To check if our onboarding screen appears only once and the logic we set in the previous video within the Splash Cubit is working perfectly. You can see here that everything is functioning as expected. Converting to stateful widget to create text editing controllers for email and password, enabling access to text field values for Firebase authentication, to be covered in upcoming videos. Using the initState method to initialize the controllers and dispose to clean up the controllers when leaving the screen. Creating a login form key for form validation in the form widget. This key helps manage the form state and allows us to validate and save the form's data. I've added form validation methods in the helper file. Pause the video here and implement them yourself. You can also modify these methods as per your requirements. In the onPressed function of the login button, using the login form key to get the current state and calling the validate method to validate all text fields. If the text field appearance changes on validation, set the error border to match the enabled and focus styles to prevent this behavior. To create the register block and register state, copy the login block and login state as a starting point. Then, modify them to suit the registration functionality. This ensures both blocks are independent but follow a similar structure. I used validate email in the name text field, but validate name should be used instead. This will be corrected at the end of the video. Make sure to use validate name. Now, making rich text a separate widget to reuse it in both the login and register screens. Dive in and build something amazing step by step. You're unstoppable. The error occurs because the login block provider is destroyed when navigating to the register screen, and we mistakenly used login block and login state in the block builder instead of register block and register state. Defining the border argument the same as enabled, focused, and error border to ensure consistent text field behavior. If you are facing a block error with a visibility icon on the register screen, it's due to the login block being destroyed. Pass the toggle function as an argument in the password field to fix it. For the Remember Me button, switch the method to use the register block. Try solving it. I'll share the solution in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.